Hello, my name is Jordan Weber. I'm with Phoenix Roofing and Repair. We're here at the Smith residence, here to perform a repair video, a repairability video. First things first, I want to show you what I'm working here. I have a 15-inch crowbar, a gooseneck, a roofing crowbar, a hammer, and an 1.25 inch nails. I'm not sure exactly what this specific shingle requires on their manufacturer guidelines and specifications. It is either a roofing staple or it's the 1.25 inch roofing nail that I had in my truck here. So I'll just use these. It's the easiest, and for the time of the video's sake, I'll just use 3 of them. But I'm going to go ahead and break the seal here for you guys. Very important to notice that I'm going to try to keep this at a 45-degree angle. And if you see me tugging at all, it's because you have to understand that above here is the nailing strip for this shingle below. Also, it runs up here and overlaps, so there's going to be more penetrations. There's going to be, if used with roofing nails, there'll be 4 penetration marks here and another 4 up here. That's where it's very easy for water to seep into, and that's why we're making the video, to show it's going to be hard to just repair this video with also plugging and getting those holes plugged up with mastic, already kind of caulking without damaging the surrounding shingles. And you know, we want to keep it to pre-loss conditions, and by doing that, it's going to be hard to say that it's in a pre-loss condition after we do those repairs. Degrees here, snagged up on something here. A lot of the time these nail pops will prevent it from. Looks like they probably did use nails. That's another thing with using nails and staples. They're not supposed to come out this way because it's harder to get these shingles to come out without damaging anything. You can see here there's a couple nail pops, so I'll have to push that back down when I'm done. So you can see here, this is the nailing strip. It's very important to have the nails go into this part. This is where the adhesive is supposed to be above to prevent any leakage, and to really ensure that we're able to repair this correctly, we have to be able to get mastic and caulking in every one of these holes where water can seep in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different entry points for water to get in, making it harder for us to repair this roofing system without damaging the surrounding shingles. Again, for the sake of the video and time's sake, I'll go ahead and just use 3 of these 1.25 inch nails. Back in here. nail pop that was above. Slide this back into place. Now, with the 8 holes that we have, we're gonna make 3 more holes now. If I use more than 3, it would be even more than that. So you can see where this presents a problem. The more holes, the more areas for water to seep into. Okay. So we've extracted the shingle that needs to be repaired. That was marked here by the adjuster for wind damage. We not only have 4 holes now, we have a total of 8 more holes that we have to try to repair with mastic and caulking to prevent any leaking to further disturb this lifespan of the roofing system. You can see here, just by doing the repairs on this lower one, it also damages the top shingle, thus making this roof unrepairable. Now, with the adjuster giving us repairs for over, I think, 10 to 15 different shingles, as well as some hail hits, it's going to be virtually impossible to repair this house to keep it in pre-storm condition up to the manufacturer guidelines of these shingles, thus making it again unrepairable. Thank you.